Hey there, how's it going? This is gonna be a quick video. I am gonna do a follow-up. When I installed the Fumoto oil drain valve in my F-150, I said that I was gonna make another video following up a little while later on just to see how it did. It's been doing great. It worked so well in the F-150 that I did go ahead and order another one for the Honda CR-V. I haven't installed it yet because we're not ready for an oil change in that car, but I am going to do an oil change in the truck again today. And I also found out, if you'll remember, that Fumoto makes these little plastic clips that clip on to keep the lever from moving accidentally. I wasn't really confident in how well those were going to hold, so I did a little looking around, and Fumoto actually makes these more secure clamps that clamp onto the top. And you do have to use a pair of pliers to get them into place, but those will be a little bit more secure than just that plastic clip. So it's time for an oil change. I'm going to knock that out real quick. With the exception of needing a pair of pliers to put this on, it'll be a completely toolless oil change. So should be fast and easy. Let's see. So the way these work is actually pretty cool. Pop that little clip off of there. Take this lever, bring it up and around, and out comes the oil. Just like that. And then once your oil is done, flip the lever back in place. And instead of the plastic clip, I'm going to use... It's a good thing I bought two of those, because I have no idea where the other one went. But you can see how that works. This clip, once you get it on, you don't have to take it completely off of the post up here to get the lever up. It just has to be moved up a little bit. So then once you get that clip on there and get it into place, it is kind of a two-handed job, but it definitely keeps that lever from moving and opening up the valve. So there we go. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks to my subscribers. Give me a thumbs up on this video if it helps you, if you like it. On the F-150, I installed one that was a real stubby. It's a very short version. The one I got for the CR-V has this extra section sticking out, this nipple that you hook a drain hose to so you can direct the oil flow. So as soon as I need an oil change on the CR-V, this will be going on in place. So they're a little expensive. I think they're $40, give or take, depending on which model you need. They're a convenience factor. So do you need them? No, you don't need them. Are they cool? Yeah, I like them. They work. I like what they do. So if you're interested, they are made by Fumoto, F-U-M-O-T-O. And I think they're worth the money for the convenience factor. Makes it easy. Okay, cool. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.